It's Friday and I have no classes, so we're going to the beach. I'm out to the beach. Beach. Yay. Anyway, I'm wearing something flowy. Look, flow. Anyway, I did my hair this morning and I was like, I put some flaxseed gel in it. It's kind of staying really nicely. Still a little white over here. I don't know what that's about, but either way, I just went out there by myself and now I'm going out there with the family and it's gonna be fun. So yeah, let's go. Is everybody ready? We're here! I'm very excited. I'm so happy. It feels like you're in another country, right? Look at the puppy! You don't know about this thing. It's so nice out here. Yeah, let's get our own spot. Left, left, left. No, but I like right here. No, left. Why? Because it's really shiny? Yeah, right here. Yeah. Lay it out, lay it out. Watching. Haley! That hurt. Oh my god, why did you do that? This is insane, bro. Look at mommy. You look like a celebrity. Anyway, we made it to the beach and my mom is falling in love with it that she's gonna move out here probably. But I feel like I want to do this all the time now. I mean, like senior year left me so much. I didn't realize how much work I'd done before this, and now I have like a clear schedule. Huh? It's a little bit windy, but it's not that windy. I think you can hear me.
It makes you feel alive.
Oh my god, you really need to get outside. There's like so many boats out here.
Yeah.
And it's calming.
It is. I might say screw the
what?
farmer's market tomorrow. We might be getting up and coming out.
And coming here? Yeah, man.
All we need is some food. We have to wait.
Yeah, man. What the fuck?
I just would not be on a sailboat.
I'm trying to nap. Yeah, she was like, it's a really, she supports the idea of me getting a puppy. She's like, I think it'll be a really good thing for you.
I think I just missed some.
Yeah, you do. What? That's not good.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I wonder too. Because this is more than we saw the first day. I'm like, okay, so is it like an unspoken... flashback.
Oh no.
Over the days.
You better edit that.
Haley, isn't hang loose what they say?
Isn't that a servant?
Oh, look at this. Wow. That's a big bitch, man. Huge. Wow. This is, I think, where I'm going to end the video. Not sure what to say besides finished this first week. See you next Sunday. Bye. Click the button, subscribe button, but also the bell button.